The first thing you need to do is log on Spotify and search for the music that you want to change the music picture. In my case, I will use this one just for example, but you need to find the music that you want to change the picture. Then click on these three dots right here and swipe down and click on share. Then you need to find for stories, okay, with Instagram icon, click on top, and after doing that you need to click on the second option at the top right corner, swipe down and find this option. Okay, in my case it is here, but in your case the local may be different. Okay, so you need to click on this option and select the picture that you want to use on your music. Okay, on your music, I will use this one just for example, but you select the photo, the picture that you want to use, then just drag to the picture, and that's it. You already changed your music picture on Instagram.